How to add or change your banner image on your YouTube channel account from your phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change or add banner image to your YouTube account easy and fast. So first thing, go to YouTube, and now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this profile picture, and now go to this option of your channel right here, click on it. And now this is my channel. As you can see, I don't have a banner and I want to add it. All what you have to do is go to this pencil right here, and now click on here, and this is the banner. As you can see, now choose from your photos from here, and you will be able to change your banner or add it easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.